Hello and welcome back to another exciting video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create barcodes in an Excel spreadsheet. So, without wasting any time, let's dive in. I've already prepared some random codes in the left column, and on the right-hand side, we're going to generate barcodes for each code. To do this, I'll add a small formula in the right column. The formula is that's an equal sign, quotation mark with an open bracket, then the reference cell B3, followed by another ampersand, and finally a quotation mark with a closing bracket. Now, if you notice, it still doesn't look like a barcode. That's because we need to install a barcode font. I've already installed it, and all we have to do is select that font. Don't worry, the download link is in the description box below, so you can easily grab it, and there we go. Our barcode is ready. Now simply drag this formula down to the end of the list, and Excel will automatically generate barcodes for all the codes. The best part is, if you update any code, the barcode will instantly update too. Just download the barcode font, extract it, and install it on your system. It's super easy. So that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.